Okay, let's try the first three questions of this practice exam. And what are you going to do with this guy here? Well, you're going to multiply it out, x squared and minus 9x. You're going to add 20, and then you're going to factor. And that's what it looks like. X squared minus 9x plus 20. Well, 4 times 5 is 20, and minus 4 times minus 5 is positive 20. But you've got minus 4x and minus 5x. It's got to be two negatives to make that work. So that means there's two solutions, 4 or 5. Make that equal to 0. Now this question, it's actually worth more marks, so you know that you're going to have to use the quadratic formula, and you have to show your work. You have to subtract 4, a is 2, b is 5, and c is minus 4. So it's negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4, there's a, there's c, over 2a. And that's your answer. You just put it into your calculator, and this works out to be 57. You get two answers. You get 0.64 or negative 3.14. There's your two answers. Now this question, a third question, gee, you know what you have to do is get the surd by itself, so you add 1, then you square both sides, then you solve the quadratic, and then you check your answers, and it's like a lot of marks, and it's just the same thing each time if you're careful and do the algebra right. So I added 1, isolated the surd, I squared both sides, the square root goes away, x plus 1 times x plus 1 gives me this. Take away x from 2x, you get x. Take away 7 from 1, you get minus 6. Two brackets, 3 times 2 gives me 6, and plus 3x minus 2x, that gives me the plus 1x. So there's two answers, minus 3 and 2, but we have to check them because squaring the surd, you can end up with extraneous solutions. Solutions that aren't solutions, you have to check it. So you check, you put minus 3 back in there, and you see that, hey, the square root of 7 doesn't equal negative 2, so negative 3 doesn't work. But 2 plus 7 is 9, square root of 9 is 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So the one that works is x equals 2. And there you go, all done.